Hi students, I'm your Komali ma'am. Today I'm going to write NEET 2026 exam. They see how many questions, direct questions or based on memory or a problem solving. How was the exam experience?
Hi students, I'm your Komali ma'am. This year I went to the exam hall and I wrote NEET 2025 examination. In this video, I want to share you about my NEET 2025 experience. Just expect my chemistry score in chat box. Watch this video up to the end. See, why I have went to the exam hall was every year I write the examination once I get the paper. But yeah, 1 year different scenario is happening. 1 year the delay in the question paper, something was happening, troubling the students. So I felt like I have to go to the exam hall and I have to write and see the atmosphere there, what's going on inside the classroom. So I applied for the examination and I went there. Starting, I'll share you, like before exam I have seen the students feeling fear about the exam, like how paper comes, everything. In examination center, do you know what happened? Like some students are revising for the exam, referring the questions. Obviously one student is referring vitamins paper, the same question came in exam hall. I just remembered that incident. And few students are discussing like they will not prepare well for exam. Coach, something is going on and parents are sitting before the exam hall and few coaching institutes are sharing their pamphlets and writing their contacts. It's all going on. And I went to the exam hall, first I felt like if any student might identify me, then I wore mask and I went. But no one identified me because I wore the mask and I'm saying might be I went inside, they told me to remove the mask, then I removed the mask. I felt like someone, any one or two students might identify, but no one identified me. Or please share my channel, please like this video so that my content reaches new students. And I wore a small rubber band. Actually that small rubber band also have some metallic, some, because to hold it, even they made me to remove the small band also, full strict. And college, that school also have very good discipline. They followed in time, they have given the paper, water they kept, every discipline, washroom nearby is there, every discipline they have followed. And then I went inside the exam hall and what I observed was, like, in the entire classroom, I did not remember exactly the strength of the classroom, except two to three students. Remaining students did not write the paper up to the end. Up to the end, they did not attempt the paper. They just finished the paper so fast, which means that fast in the sense without trying, they marked it. Okay, that I have observed with few students. And the sadness over their faces after writing the examination, I have observed. And coming to the chemistry question paper, what my personal opinion after writing the paper in a live, every year I write the paper, once I receive the paper and upload the solutions in the channel. Not, that is not the matter. In the examination hall, in that atmosphere, writing the paper, and what I felt like, giving, the questions are good questions, but the paper should not be like A B C D E. Before year paper, that before year paper, if you observe, like there is no such, it is not like that before year is not given, this year they should not, like that. But A B C D E, that option they should not give. It will consume so much of time. Even if you if you know faster also, A B C D E, it will consume your time. So this paper is challenging paper. And in chemistry, three questions are completely like, I felt like, which are not from the book at all. What we do is, in coaching, I teach like the content from basics to the depth, so that students will be ready. They must be ready. Even the paper comes tough also, they must be ready. So in 2025 paper, I know in parent teacher meeting, I posted that video also on YouTube. From our running notes, except 3 questions, everything came, because these 3 questions are not in the books also. So that, though except these 3 questions remaining, the students can score. So what I scored in NEET 2025, can you guess how much I scored? Can you guess? I scored 165 marks in chemistry. I did not attempt physics and biology. Okay, chemistry score was 90, percentile was 90. Can you see everybody? 99.9765991 is my chemistry percentile. What I want to share with you all is, whatever the paper, if you have a proper coach with you, if you have a proper guidance, you no need to worry at all. Why you should feel fear? And most of the time your success will stop because of your fear only. Tension, whether I'll get or not, whether I can able to study or not, whether I can solve these questions or not. Because of this tension only, half of the time will be wasted. Like overthinking is like more analysis is like a paralysis, we say, right? Same way na, select best mentor, select best coaching, and follow your teacher words from day one. Definitely you will get good marks. Why you don't get good marks? See, 165, 3 marks, if there is a loss in a 3 marks, no problem, you will be getting a highest mark in chemistry, 99.976. You will be in one of the A ranker, you will be. So no need to worry at all. Even the paper standards are like that. Even though our chemistry running notes played that much role in student marks, I'm going to share you few of our results. So many students got the best mark in chemistry. You also can get good marks in chemistry. If you are looking for the best chemistry mentor, select Komali ma'am as your chemistry teacher and see your chemistry score. Follow all the classes, write the notes. See, if you have that discipline, no one can stop you. Wherever you are, from which background you are from, no situations can stop you if you have a strong determination. My name is Komali. I'm your chemistry mentor. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my small story with the NEET examination of NEET 2025.